Welcome to English Voice Chat.
Same message, two ways. One gets you the job.
The other gets you a friend.
Today, we're going to show you both.
This is formal versus informal English, and trust me.
You need to know the difference.
But Emma, why does it even matter?
Because saying the wrong thing in the wrong place can cost you a job or make you sound rude.
Whoa, that's serious?
That's serious. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say.
In any situation, work, school, friends, interviews.
So let's start. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Let's do this.
First, what does register mean in English?
Like a cash register?
No, Jake. In language, register means the level of formality you use when you speak or write.
So like how formal or casual you are?
Exactly. Think of it like clothes.
Clothes?
You wear a suit to a job interview. You wear pajamas with your best friend.
Okay, that makes sense.
English works the same way. Formal English is for work, school, and people you don't know well.
And informal is for friends, family, and texting.
Right. And mixing them up is a very common mistake.
Have you ever mixed them up, Emma?
Oh, yes. I once texted my professor, "Hey, what's up?"
No, you didn't.
I did. Lesson learned.
So that's why we're here, to help you avoid that.
Chapter 2 recap. Register means your level of formality.
Formal for work, informal for friends. Simple.
Okay, let's start with greetings.
Everyone greets people every single day.
But how you greet someone changes everything. Imagine you're walking into a job interview.
Okay, I'm nervous already.
Don't be. Here's what you say, formally. "Good morning. It's a pleasure to meet you."
Ooh, very professional.
Notice, no slang, full sentence, polite opener.
Now, what about with friends?
Hey! Oh my gosh, it's been ages!
Yo, what's good, bro?
See the difference?
But what if I'm not sure? Formal or informal?
Great question. Always start formal. You can become more casual later, but you can't undo a bad first impression.
That's actually really good advice.
Here are the key formal greeting phrases. Good morning. It's a pleasure to meet you. How do you do?
And informal? Hey, what's up? Long time no see.
Try saying both versions out loud right now. Pause the video.
Chapter 3 recap. Greetings change based on who you're talking to.
Start formal, go casual only when you feel the room. Next scenario, you need help.
This happens all the time. At work, at school.
Let's say you didn't understand something your teacher said.
Okay, how do I ask formally?
I wanted to follow up regarding today's lesson. Could you kindly clarify the point about reported speech?
Wow, that sounds so professional.
Keywords, follow up, regarding, could you kindly, clarify.
And informally, like to a classmate?
Hey, did you get what she said about reported speech? I'm so lost.
Yeah, that's exactly what I text.
Now, which version would you send to your boss?
Formal, obviously.
And to your study group friend?
Informal, easy.
But here's the tricky part. What about a teacher you know very well?
Somewhere in the middle?
Yes, that's called semi-formal. And it exists. Hi, Mr. Davis. Just wanted to check. Could we go over the reported speech section again?
Oh, that's good. Friendly but still respectful.
Semi-formal is very useful. Learn it.
Chapter 4 recap. Match your message to your relationship.
Formal email, casual text. Semi-formal for in between. Now, apologizing. This is a big one.
Because saying sorry wrong can make things worse.
Exactly. Imagine you're late to a work meeting.
Okay, what do I say?
I sincerely apologize for my late arrival. It will not happen again.
Short, formal, takes responsibility.
Key phrases: sincerely apologize, late arrival, will not happen again.
Now, what if I'm late to a friend's house?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Traffic was an absolute nightmare.
Yeah, that's so much more real.
Notice, in formal English, you keep emotion controlled. In informal English, you can be dramatic, exaggerate, and use emotion freely.
So, absolute nightmare would sound weird in a meeting?
Very weird. Stick to, I apologize for the inconvenience.
What if I make a small mistake at work, like sending the wrong file?
Please accept my apologies. I have attached the correct document.
Clean, no drama, fixed.
To a friend? Oops, sorry. Here's the right one.
Yep, that's the text I sent.
Practice both. Your future boss will thank you.
Chapter 5 Recap. Formal apologies are calm and structured.
Informal ones can be expressive. Know which room you're in. Next, giving your opinion. This trips people up a lot.
Because casual opinions sound weird in meetings?
Exactly. In a work presentation? In my view, this strategy requires further consideration.
Sounds confident, sounds professional.
Key phrases. In my view. It would appear. I would suggest.
And with friends? Honestly, I don't think that plan's gonna work.
Perfect. Real, direct, but not for the boardroom.
So, same opinion, totally different delivery.
Formal opinions sound measured. Informal opinions sound honest.
Chapter 6 Recap. Choose your words based on your audience, not just your feelings.
Okay, the hardest one. Saying no.
Especially in English as a second language.
I'm afraid I won't be able to accommodate that request at this time.
You said no without actually saying no.
That's the secret of professional English.
And to a friend who wants to hang out when you're exhausted.
Ugh, I really can't tonight. I'm dead. Rain check?
Rain check, meaning let's do it another time. Great phrase.
In formal English, saying no means staying polite, indirect, and solution-focused.
Chapter 7 Recap. No doesn't have to feel rude. Just choose the right words.
Last scenario, small talk.
This is where learners freeze most.
Formal small talk. How was your journey? Have you been with the company long?
Safe, neutral, professional.
Informal. So, what do you do for fun? No way, same!
That's every party conversation ever.
One rule for formal small talk. Avoid politics, money, and religion.
Stick to weather, travel, and food. Always safe.
Formal small talk shows respect. Informal small talk shows warmth.
Chapter 8 Recap. Small talk is a skill. One sentence can open any door.
Let's wrap it up. Today you learned 6 real situations.
Greetings, asking for help, apologizing, opinions, saying no, small talk.
2 registers. Formal for work, informal for friends.
The secret? Ask yourself, who am I talking to?
That one question changes everything.
Your challenge. Write one formal and one informal sentence below.
Any topic. We read every comment.
And if this helped, subscribe. New lessons every week.
No cap, it's bussin' content. Right, Jake?
Frfr, Emma. Absolutely frfr.
See you next time. Keep going.
Every lesson gets you closer. We promise.